Good morning. This is the view from where I sleep. I have a lot on my plate today, but I actually woke up very late. Because I'm just not feeling too well. Like, I've had a very exhausting week. So I just sort of I normally wake up naturally at around 6:30. But I kind of just let myself wake up naturally today, and I woke up at 8:30, so good for me. My body needed that. But yeah, I'm gonna just watch a couple YouTube videos in bed and then get up and get ready.
I've been out of my head, can't get out of bed.
First video of the year, let's go. Still sort of settling into my apartment. It's been 6 months and I'm still settling. I just have commitment issues. It's hard now that I was so happy that I have my own place and I was so excited to finish it and everything. That is ugly as hell. Don't look at that. Reality is, ever since I've moved in, I've just had so much trouble deciding on furniture and committing to pieces because I'm like, oh, what if I move again? Oh, what if I do I have to sell everything? But you know what? Anyways, yeah, so I just went to Hema and got some cute little things and also picked up a packet from Douglas, and so I thought I would just show you what I got. First, I got this cute little notebook. I needed a new one that with a spiral binding because I'm starting a new role in a couple of months and I want to have a fresh notebook to keep all my notes in because I know I will have a lot of notes for this role. And then I also got one of these boys. I also got a Hema loyalty card because I shop there so much and I'm a big believer in getting every cent back that you can. And then I picked up my package from Douglas. I will open this for you. Give me a second. Okay, great. Welcome to my floor. Anyways, let me just show you glycolic acid toner. I used this a lot when I was living in London and I feel like it cleared my skin up quite a bit and I haven't used it since. So I'm gonna see if it still works. I stopped using it because I moved to Jakarta and it was just quite difficult to get my hands on this one. And then niacinamide, the peeler. I've been using this before it went really viral on TikTok. The AHA 30% plus BHA 2% peeling solution. I stand this. So that's all I got. Today I'm gonna go to Harlem and see my friend Vic and another friend Cynthia will be joining us and we're just gonna see Vic's puppy Louis and have a good time at the beach and then go back for hot cocoa or something. Yeah. Signing off from this portion of the vlog. Actually a very sunny day outside today in Amsterdam despite this whole overcast situation, but I did wake up and it was super bright blue skies. The days are getting longer, restaurants are open again. I'm very happy, although everyone around me seems to have COVID at the moment. So I'm gonna be having I would call it a normal Saturday in Amsterdam today, so I thought I'd vlog it a bit. I'm gonna have to do a bit of errands, pick up some packages, because I thrifted recently online. I use Vinted for that. Love Vinted, love it. My desk arrived also, so I will be putting that together today, and then going to the gym, and then I have a dinner with my girlfriends here, and I'm very excited about that because I actually haven't been out for dinner yet since restaurants reopened a few weeks ago, so it's exciting. I booked a place at Mana Mana, which is like one of my favorite restaurants here, and it's just a 10-minute cycle from my house, which is perfect. Hopefully the weather stays beautiful until tonight, so I don't have to cycle in the rain because I hate taking public transport here. It's just unnecessary when you literally have a bike that could take you anywhere within like 10 minutes. So I finished building it. Not really, actually. I fucked up twice. So the first one I got on camera is where I put on the legs the wrong way, so then I couldn't put these things on, which may not look like they do much, but they actually keep the table from wobbling. Obviously, they keep, like, you know, this side and this side in check. And then I'm supposed to actually bolt the plank down from here, like I did from this side, but I fucked up again and put this rod on the wrong way. This hole is supposed to be on the bottom, not on the side. But you know what? It's fine. Like, it's bolted down in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 other spots, so it shouldn't really, you know, it's not gonna topple over and kill me or anything. All dressed up for dinner. Blazer is very old. I bought it like 2 years. No, I bought it last year. Last year before my say no to fast fashion. So yes, this is fast fashion. So is this. So is this, but I got this in Bristol. So that was 2018, which makes it pretty old. No, not really. To be fair, not really. But yeah, all fast fashion here. But all bought before 2022, before I made my pact. Okay, I'm off, but I do need to take a COVID test before I go, obviously. Where's my kit? Oh. Sexy